everybody. Hello everybody, it is Willow and Dylan, and today we are going to be making some brownies at the night time. So this is like a night video because it's nighttime, you know, like because we're wearing our pajamas, right Dylan? We're wearing our pajamas. Yeah. Dylan's got this cute dog on her shirt. So let's get started. So first you need to open the dumb box because it is so rude. Oh, yeah. Guys, I got it out. I got the nice sugary ingredients. Dumb box. The ingredients are some water and some vegetable oil. You need water. You need water. Oh, I forgot to show you the eggs. So these are the eggs, but they look different from the white eggs. They look different. The vegetable oil. This is the chunky chocolate powder. Now our Gandhi has opened the powder. Now we're going to put it in a big giant bowl.
Clear bowl.
I'm just going to put all of it. I'm not going to have to worry about it any more days. Yeah. Come on. Then, Mommy, I think we have to put the water next because let's put the water next. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to pour it in. Do you think we need a little bit more, Mommy? I want to mix it too.
Just a second. How much oil, Willow? What does it say on there?
2 out of 3 of a cup.
2/3.
2/3. Okay. Now we're gonna put this vegetable oil. It looks more like a lemon, like they put lemon juice in bread.
Guys, why can I just have this open on the floor?
Looks like a chocolate. So, what do we do next?
Eggs.
So now we're going to put So now we're going to put these eggs in. I'm kind of terrible at them, but I'm...
Willow, if you're terrible at them, let Gansy do them for you.
Hey, I don't want to do them. It looks more like a hatchment. It's so cool.
Alright, go ahead, Willow.
It's good, so...
Whack hard. One whack. Boop, boop. You gotta, oh, there you go.
Look at this, guys. I got some egg yolk. I'm gonna wash my hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna mix. I'm not gonna mix it too. So now Gansy is doing the honor. We are going to put it in the pan thing. And now Mommy is putting the oven on. Why are you putting the oven on when we didn't even put?
Because you're supposed to let it preheat.
Now Gansy is doing the honor, and she is putting the chocolate in the pan.
Focus.
Now this is how it looks right now, but it looks a little bit lumpy. But that's okay because this is how it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to put it down and put it in the oven. 25 minutes. Then we are going to pull it out and we're going to show you guys how it looks and we're going to taste it.
Yes.
You gotta be careful with this part. If you're too little and you want to do this video, you gotta ask your parents and they gotta help you with all the stuff. Because I can't take it out by myself. So guys, this is how it looks in my oven. Now, closing it up. Come on. Then, leave it for 25 minutes, so I'll see you in that second. Bye. I gotta give it 5 more minutes. So guys, now it is out of the oven. So this is how it looks like. So now we are just going to get it out. So I'm just going to place it right here. I'm going to get our safety tools. But Wait right here, guys. I need to go use the bathroom before I do this.
Really?
Guys, this is what the brownie looks like right now. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to taste it. I'm going to see how it is when we make it.
Why is it helping me? Animals, cat. It's showing me what the answers are.
It's good. It's crunchy and it's chocolatey. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks everybody for watching. I will see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe for those videos. Make sure you click the like button right there, right below me. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you later. Peace out. Bye.